It's time now for better food. Time to get the family together in the kitchen, Irene.
Yes, Chef Christina Hart from Foodology Cooking School is showing us a pizza. Yay!
Pizza
Actually,
crust.
a pizza crust recipe to get the whole
Do
family
you smell
involved.
it in here? It smells so
Oh,
delicious.
it smells
delicious.
Delicious
Absolutely.
There's nothing
in here.
better than a pizza crust.
No.
So I know that New Year's resolution for a lot of people is to spend more family time. For some,
Yeah.
it's to spend less, but for most people, it's to spend more. And so we're going to show you how to do just that with our simple pizza crust recipe that we can actually use in various different ways, but today we're making actual pizza with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you direct your attention right over here, we have in this bowl some flour, some salt, some sugar. We have some water and some yeast and some oil.
Okay.
All I need you to do is take the yeast, dump it into the water.
Yeast, dump it into
Yep.
the water.
You're gonna mix a little bit until it's combined.
Okay.
Look at that.
See, there you go.
See, not too
And
bad.
The reason why we have sugar in here is not because we want our pizza dough to be sweet, but
Yeah.
because the yeast needs something to eat. So
Okay.
the water helps activate it, the sugar's gonna give it something to eat, and now we're gonna add the oil to the water. There you go.
I apologize. What kind of oil again?
This is actually olive oil, but you can use canola oil, you can use vegetable oil, whatever you'd like to do.
Okay.
You're gonna mix that up because oil and water don't like each other, so they try to separate.
Yep.
And then you're just gonna take that entire mixture and you're gonna put it into this bowl and mix until it starts to come together.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, that's how you.
That
That's
is
how you. That's it.
But the beauty of this particular recipe is long gone are those days where you have to wait hours to use your dough.
Yeah.
This is literally a dough that rests for 10 minutes.
Wow.
And then you can use it.
Yeah, because so many people think dough is so hard to make.
I know, and how easy was that? You can,
This is so-
you can do
this
this
is
with your
unbelievable.
kids. And then once you're done, you're gonna knead it a little bit, only about 5 or 6 times. And what we're doing as we knead is we're actually creating gluten strands, which is the texture of our bread dough for
Okay.
our crust. But it's like elastics, so they're really tight. So we have to let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes to loosen up those elastics. Have you ever been in a situation where you're trying to spread out your dough and it wants to just like,
Yes,
snap
it just
back
wants
on
to
you?
snap back. Yeah.
It's because the gluten strands are too tight still, and
Okay.
we need to just let it rest. If you just let it rest for 5-10 minutes, you can go back to
Now,
it.
Christine, would you actually put your hands in here?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I would knead right in the bowl. I'm not going to make you do it if you don't want to do it.
No.
But we would knead right in the bowl, and then after about 5 to 7 minutes, you're going to have this.
He's eating the.
Well, it's on my
That's okay.
fingers. What do you want me to
There's
do?
no egg in it. He's fine. And then I like to, with my kids, you do
Yeah.
the initials. And how cute
Cool.
is that?
I
So
love it.
If you guys want to take a minute and put your stuff on there, you certainly
Cool.
can.
So you can put on the dough,
Yeah.
sauce first. We should be in the opposite direction here.
You do my initial.
Okay, all right.
We can
No
flip it around
problem.
if you
No
want.
problem.
Christine,
It's fun.
Is there any method to the madness?
No method at all. If you like a lot of sauce, put a lot of sauce. If you like a lot of cheese, put a lot of cheese.
And at Foodology, you do classes with the whole family.
We do, and I want to point out on March 29th, it's a Sunday, we have
It's
a
a food
series.
fight.
Yes, we have a family food fight pizza wars. You sign up as your family team.
so fun.
And you compete against other
Oh
family
my
teams.
gosh.
And we have a family one in the morning, but we have an adult one in the afternoon.
Hey, March
So
29th.
if
That's a big
you-
day.
That's a Sunday.
So feel free, registration is online. We still have some spots available, but
How
it's a
fun.
great way. If you like doing this, you will love doing that. Absolutely, check it out.
Absolutely love it.
All right, I've got my cheese.
Got your
All
cheese
right.
going on.
How am I doing, Christina?
That looks delicious. I'd eat that.
I better hurry up here.
And then where exactly is Foodology?
So
again?
Foodology is located at 991 South Main Street, Plantsville. Plantsville is just a little subsection of Southington.
Of Southington, right.
Yep, and we do all sorts of things. We do adult classes, we do kid classes, we do family events, we do team builders, we do birthday parties. You name it, we do it. If it relates to food and cooking,
Do
we're
birthday
your,
parties.
we're your
How-
spot.
Like, what's the limit on a birthday party that you could have?
We can fit really up to 30 in there.
my gosh,
Yeah,
that's
it's a
fantastic.
phenomenal teaching kitchen that we have.
That's
We're very
incredible.
lucky.
And so with this, you can use any topping you want.
Any topping.
Any topping you want. You can't really do this gluten-free, though.
Sure.
Can
You
Where-
can.
Yeah.
There would be some alterations to the actual recipe,
Okay.
but you can do it gluten-free.
And
This
can
goes
we-
in the oven?
It's going to go in the oven, and then I think we've got a surprise for you already waiting there.
Okay.
Awesome. So where can we find that recipe for the
So
I know it's pretty simple, but
Yep, that recipe
yeah.
should be on your website.
Okay.
And it is 3 cups of flour. It is a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of
Okay.
sugar,
So easy.
cup of water, just one of those little packets of the yeast that you can
Yes.
find at the store. Mix that together, add 2 tablespoons of oil, mix it together, and there
So
you
easy.
go.
And it's going to
Yeah.
be on our website, WFSB.com.
Look at
and
how
look how
beautiful.
perfect
And if anybody
these
wants
are.
to try, I don't know. They
I
look
want
delicious.
to try it, of
Right,
course.
of course.
Tell me how you did.
You have
Absolutely.
a pizza wheel here. You want?
I'll try the S.
You want the S? There you go.
Sure.
And we got
That's right,
plates, or you could just go for it.
Oh my goodness.
Whatever
this
you want to
looks
do.
amazing. It just amazes me how simple it is. You
All right,
know?
check out events and more about Foodology. Visit foodologylab.com.
Yeah, the cooking school is on South Main Street in Plantsville. Thanks so much for having me
Thanks,
today.
guys.
Thanks,
Nice
Irene.
to meet you. It was nice to